Hey guys, it's Kane and Ethan here. Or it can be Ethan or Kane. Okay.
Yeah.
We're just playing Minecraft. We made new stuff. We made some new stuff.
It's getting dark. I gotta park my boat.
So yeah.
Come on, boat. Let me out. Come on. There you go. Good boat. I'm getting in my bed because I gotta wake up early in the morning. I'm waking up. I'm in the bed. Yes, I am.
Yeah, I sleep with you.
What? Hey, what am I doing?
You're going in and out. That's weird.
Can I go into the out now?
Where?
In the cave?
No, not yet.
Jeff, I told you can't get out. You're making eggs for us. So I can cook them for breakfast. They'll be like, what? Dude, I see a skeleton.
Kill it. Oh, you get your bone.
I don't need bones. I need
That's for a
strength.
diamond.
Really?
Yeah. I found a diamond. I found a diamond. This is my
Dude, I just drifted past the skeleton and he was just like, dude, that's one nice boat. Dude, a bone. All right. Need bones. Boom, boom, bones. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna really, really kill you. Come here, little skeleton. I kill you really bad. I make bones and I give them to my dog. Oh, you just hit me with the arrow. Oh, you hit me another arrow. Die! Why won't he die? Oh my gosh, on there. Oh, I died.
That sucks.
You gotta help me kill him, man. I'm getting my sword out now. He just made me mad. He just made me lose all my stuff. Come here, you stupid little skeleton.
Take this diamond sword.
Yes, I got him. Yes.
I have a chest plate for you and a diamond sword for you.
Really?
Diamond, yeah.
Yes.
I'm not waiting here all day. And make me hurt you.
I'm sorry.
There's this. There's this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, look at my armor. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, boo, yes. Now I'm going to tame that dog.
Feels real good.
I'm going to tame the dog, yeah. I got my NOS on. So,
Awesome.
yeah. Come on, boat. Let
I
me
got
out.
a lot of iron swords in the chest.
Wolf? Dude, my wolf's gone.
We need, this chest is overfilling. We need to make more chests.
My wolf's gone.
It's fine.
I told him to stay and he didn't stay. I gotta find. I'm traveling through the woods. Guys, it's time to end the video. We'll make more videos. Please subscribe and bye.
See ya.